こんにちは。皆さんお元気ですか？ So today's goal is 飲み物を勧められたとき何を飲むかなど答えることができる is the goal today. So let's dive into the lesson. First, we're going to check the vocabularies, okay? So listen to the 518. Alright? Here we go.
飲み物 A、
コーヒー、
B、
紅茶、
C、
お茶、
D、
水、
E、
ジュース、
F、
コーラ、
G、
ビール、
H、
お酒。
Alright. Well, this お酒 F, お酒 and juice. Alright. So お酒 is the macro word. Okay. So what's in お酒? ビール. One of the ビール is one of the kind of the お酒. Alright. And whiskey is also one of the kind of お酒. Wine, cognac, every alcoholic drinks, which means お酒. Alright? And juice, cola, Sprite, or any kind of the juice. It's kind of like sweet drinks, like how do you say? It's like Coke. We say cola. It's not Coke. Okay. Sprite. It's one of that kind of juice. Okay. And fruit juice. For example, リンゴジュース, apple juice, オレンジジュース, orange juice. Okay. Juice. Okay. And お茶. お茶 is also a macro word. Okay. So what's the micro word? 紅茶. It's Chinese tea in general. Okay. And chai tea. It's kind of Asia, kind of like Myanmar or Indian tea. All right. So this ocha is made from leaf, right? So you put leaf in water and boil it, then you can drink ocha. All right. Ocha. Well, I'm gonna play this 119. Then you listen to the dialogue and you choose what they say. Okay. Well, here we go.
1、
コーヒー好きですか？
2、
お酒好きですか？
3、
お茶好きですか？
4、
コーラ好きですか？
5、
ビール好きですか？
6、
紅茶好きですか？
7、
ジュース好きですか？
Alright. 好きですか? Do you like something? Okay. So, コーヒー好きですか? 紅茶好きですか? So, コーヒーは好きですか? The dialogue said, コーヒー好きですか? The コーヒーは好きですか? コーヒーは好きですか? is the correct grammar, but we tend to eliminate this は affix, okay? コーヒー好きですか? This is also the same. コーヒー飲みますか? 飲みますか is do you drink? Okay? コーヒー飲みますか? コーヒー好きですか? We tend to eliminate this helping verb affix, okay? Because it always use the same affix. Like, コーヒー好きですか? Which means コーヒーは好きですか? It's always the same. So, we don't say it. Okay? This is one of the secrets that you can sound like native Japanese speaker. Okay? Well, let's go to the next page. Then we're gonna do this question. Okay? All right. So you listen to the dialogue and you catch the word that what are they gonna drink? Then they drink it or they don't drink. Okay, so I'm gonna do the first question, 520. All right, as an example.
1、
セシルさん、お茶飲みますか？
あ、はい、お願いします。
はい、どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
Well, he said, セシルさん、お茶飲みますか? Then she said, はい。Right? Yes. So which means she's gonna drink お茶. Right? So, what she's gonna drink? お茶. And she's gonna drink it or not? 飲みます. Yes. Okay? Well, let's go to the next question. And you do this question. Okay?
2、ラさん、お酒飲む？
いえ、結構です。
あ、そう。
ありがとうございます。
It's a little bit tricky, right? お酒飲む? いえ、結構です。Which means he doesn't drink or he's not gonna drink. Okay? Well, 結構です。いえ、結構です。いえ is no in polite form or いいえ which is the same. 結構です。It's kind of a little bit strong to say no. It's like you say no. It's a little bit strong, right? But this is treated as polite word to say no. But in this modern, world, we don't say 結構です。大丈夫です。いいえ、大丈夫です。Is the normal way to say no in polite way. Okay? In Nepali bahasa, it's kind of like paradina. Bario. Hagi? It's too strong. Okay? Well, let's go to the number 522. All right?
3、
イリアスさん、何飲む？
じゃあ、コーヒーお願いします。
はい、コーヒー。
ありがとうございます。
Wow. 何飲む? 何飲む is 飲みますか or 飲む is the same thing, but 飲みますか is more polite. This is it's not polite, okay? So, コーヒー飲む? So, 何飲む? 何 is what? What do you drink? Okay? So, look at this picture. There's few drinks, few bottles, right? So, you can choose one drink from here. So, they ask you, what do you drink? So, you can pick one of those, right? So, let's go to the next one.
4、ルシアさん、何飲みますか？じゃあ、ビールお願いします。ビールね。どうぞ。あ、 どうも。
Well, ありがとうございます or どうも. There's many ways to say thank you, right? But you can choose anything. You can just say ありがとうございます or whatever you want. Okay? Well, let's go to the next page. Then listen to the dialogue, okay? I'm going to play the 3 dialogues. All right? And you catch the word and you write it down. You fill these blanks, okay? All right? Well, here we go.
お茶飲みますか？
お酒、飲む？
何飲みますか？
何飲む？
Well, this is what I just taught you. 飲む or 飲みますか? Okay? Well, let's go to the 525.
お茶飲みますか？
はい、お願いします。いえ、結構です。
Well, お願いします is please. Yes, please. And いえ、結構です. This is what I explained. Okay? Or いえ、大丈夫です。大丈夫です。This is the fine word. Okay? Well, let's go to 526.
何飲みますか？
じゃあ、ビールお願いします。
お願いします。Well, let's go to the next page. You listen and you repeat it as soon as possible, okay? Well, here we go.
1、
お茶飲みますか？
はい、お願いします。
お茶飲みますか？
いえ、結構です。
Or, いえ、大丈夫です。Well, the last one.
2、
何飲みますか？
じゃあ、コーヒーお願いします。
Alright, so you can practice replacing this word コーヒーお願いします or ジュースお願いします。コーラお願いします。スプライトお願いします。Okay, so this じゃあ means well. Okay, aber well, it's you're thinking something. What's gonna pick? What are you gonna pick? Okay, so じゃあ、well, コーヒーお願いします。Okay, you are thinking じゃあ Okay, well, if you have any questions, you can also comment down below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。